Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So I know I get a lot of questions about how do I become a subcontractor and is it worth it? So just to let you know that I actually started out doing 2 things, what we call micro purchases, which I will definitely do a video on that, and all about being a subcontractor. So if you're interested in, I don't have a lot of past performance, how do I actually get into doing government cleaning contracts now? Stay tuned. In this video, I am going to talk about exactly what you need to do to be a subcontractor and how to get started, even if you don't have any government past performance. Okay, you ready? Here we go. So I actually have on my screen the Subnet. This is the actual government website on looking for subcontractor opportunities. It is absolutely phenomenal when it comes to a lot of information. So let's take a look at it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to select where you're looking for opportunities. So I'm going to just put it on to Florida. So now I've looked at Florida. We absolutely need to know our NAICS codes, and we're going to go with ours, which is 561720. We're just going to go with the janitorial one. And what do we have here? So this is a solicitation search result for the state of Florida for being a subcontractor. Now, there are great advantages to be a subcontractor. One, I know someone that's making well over $1 million and they've never had their own contract as a prime. Prime means you actually have the contract in your company name, as opposed to a subcontractor where you're underneath the prime. Now, a lot of times you're still going to have all the advantages when it comes to owning the contract, but maybe not as many of the hassles. So it could be a good thing. One of the things I loved about it is doing both. I started out doing subcontracting, and then I eventually went to becoming a prime contractor. So you definitely want to look at a strategy when you're looking at doing government cleaning contracts. It should be a long-term plan and not just something you're doing just like short-term planning. You want to look at way, way, way out there, because there's multi-millions of dollars that you can actually win with government cleaning contracts. So you want to look at it as something that's going to bring you about a nice amount of wealth. So now you are in the SBA subnet. I just put in mine, which was 561720, exactly looking for it. But in the state of Florida, I'm looking for that. This is where they have the NAICS code. You're going to see what the solicitation is, the business that is looking for subcontractors, the place of performance, which is really, really important. You're then going to look at the performance start date. They're all right there. And then you're going to look at the NAICS code. The other most important thing is under the additional NAICS codes. So it may not have yours as the primary one when it just says NAICS codes, but there are a lot of opportunities under the additional NAICS codes. So as I scroll down here, I am looking for, like I said, 561720, or it just may say, like this one says landscaping services, which if you're doing landscaping, that would fall under you, which basically comes under the facility support services, which is what I did as well. Now, this is all there is for the state of Florida, not very much. So let's kind of go and look for some other things so we can find another state. So let's go ahead and look in Virginia, where I also have a couple of businesses. So let's see what we have. So once again, we're looking for 560721. I just wanted to find one. Come on, give me one. Give me, oh, wow. Here we go. We have an actual one that is for 561210, which is facility support services. So you've heard me talk a lot about our janitorial. It's actually under there. Now look at here. By looking for 561210 facility support services, it has underneath other NAICS codes, it has plumbing, heating, air conditioning contractors. They're looking for janitorial services. They're looking for some contractors for drywall and all of that. Now I come over here and I know that this is in the state of Virginia, the city of Richmond. I get a chance to look at the actual company. I can go do my due diligence and research and check them out, go look at their website and all of that. And then also talks about when the contract started and when the contract is going to end, the person's name, their phone number. And like I always like to say, you want to absolutely make sure that you have your introduction letter together. It's one of the things I tell my students all the time when they call or when I am coaching individuals, that you definitely want to have your intro letter, because you want to send the introduction letter out, not give them a call. Most people don't want you to call them. They want to start to build that relationship via email, especially government people. So their information is there. Normally you're going to have the company name. Always you're gonna have the company name, you're gonna have their phone numbers, gonna have all their contact information. And right here, like I said, it's gonna open so many other doors when you look at the avenue of doing subcontracting and looking at doing it under 561210 facility support. All of that information is there. So I absolutely love the Subnet.Gov website for looking for subcontractors, looking at all the information that's out there in one place. So if you are ready to actually scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, whether you're looking at doing government cleaning contracts or commercial, then make sure you start here. Start by actually registering for my free masterclasses, where I go into all that and more in what you need to do to get started right now. So click the link in the description and make sure you sign up. Space is limited, and I'd love to see you there soon, really, really soon. Looking forward to it. We have a great time. So until next time, and to our next video, be safe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.